been like 90 degrees outside just about most every day. And so when it's really hot like this, it's really important to water your flowers or your vegetables more often. I got this really cool deal here at Walmart. This thing here came with full of fertilizer for $6.50. And I usually use Miracle Grow anyway, so I actually picked up a couple of these. You can adjust the spray on these. I just kind of like that one, but it's really easy. Just these poppies here, they only live in the spring, and then they die out about this time of year. They drop little seedlings, they drop seeds, and they grow, and there's little teeny ones. There's one right there, but you can't see it. And there's another one down in there. But then those seedlings live over winter, and then in the spring they come back and start growing again. So you could call this a hardy annual because it drops seeds in the summer, and then they bloom the next year and drop more seeds. But they're just little teeny. There's one back there, and there's one underneath it here. They're just so small you can hardly see them, but they actually overwinter. So that's why they're called hardy annuals. So I just go down. Sometimes I got a sprinkler I put in here, but I haven't. Well, I haven't fertilized these for a long time. So I thought that might be good. A lot of times when it's really super hot like this, I put out a sprinkler hose for this long, narrow bed here. So anyway, so on a hot day like this, it's a good idea to, I usually water when it's this hot, maybe twice a week, or even more maybe. If the soil is super dry, you can put your hands in it, put your finger in it, and feel how dry it is. And so I usually do that a lot more often when it's hot like this. So if that little tip helped you out any at all, can you please subscribe to my channel? I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.